everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 706 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be trying another Kylie Jenner Kylie Cosmetics makeup product. Today I'm trying out a classic. This is the Lip Velvet, the Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bare. So this is a full-size product, which on its own retails for $16, but I'm trying it as part of the Holiday 2019 Try It Kit, which my mom got for herself for Christmas. This is from Ulta, and right now it's on sale at Ulta. And I realized I don't own any of my own Kylie Cosmetics, and I have been loving the products I've tried out so far from this kit. I will have all of the other reviews from this kit in the description down below, and I will also link in the description down below this kit if you want to buy it, because it is so affordable for what you get. But I have tried out some of the liquid lipsticks in the past. I got my sister the birthday set. This was like a few years ago, and she let me try those out, but I don't have any of my own. And this kit is really helping me decide what I want to purchase on my own. And I'm really intrigued by this lipstick because this looks like a gorgeous shade. This is in the shade Bare. So let me start out by doing a swatch. It has a nice small doe foot applicator. Ooh, yeah. So pigmented. Love this shade. I love that it's like pinky and mauve, but still looks like a very wearable nude shade. Oh, I'm so excited to see how this is going to look on. This has kind of like a strawberry scent to it. It definitely smells like an artificial strawberry, but not a bad scent. Okay, well, let's see how it looks on. So pigmented, so easy to apply. I think this might be my perfect nude lip. Like this color, I'm like speechless. It does exactly what I want a nude lipstick to do. It doesn't wash me out, but it's so flattering and complimentary, but it doesn't like attract too much attention to my lips. Like it's not bold in any way, but it's not like invisible. I'm sure you know what I'm trying to say, but I am so happy with how this looks. This would look so great with that iced latte lip liner, which is like a light brown shade. Like this looks perfect on its own, but adding a little bit of like a darker lip line to this would help enhance and perfect my lip shape. And this formula is so comfortable on my lips. My lips are so dry, but you would not even be able to tell that my lips are dry. Like, let me do a zoomed in view so you can see how this looks on the lips. It looks perfect. It looks creamy. It looks smooth, even. Like this shade. I need this shade in my collection. I wouldn't have really thought to purchase this shade on my own, but seeing it on, I'm obsessed with it. Like I didn't think that a nude light lip color could be this flattering on me. Like I am blown away by this color and by this formula. This formula is amazing. Let's see if there's any transfer. A little bit, which I like when my liquid lipsticks have no transfer, but oh, still perfectly, beautifully intact. So it is gonna be pretty long lasting, but it will come off on like, you know, coffee cups and all that. I have no problem reapplying this. This kit is seriously so great. My mom did such a good job choosing this one because the colors that it comes with are so perfect. Like the Try It kit, this really does give you like the best of the best colors. I think these are all going to look so beautiful on my mom. I'm so excited for her to wear these. And I'm so excited to buy it myself because every product I keep trying out, I'm like, this is amazing. I'm so late to the game of like being so impressed by the Kylie cosmetics, but it really keeps living up to all of the hype. I still have one more product to try out, and then I'm kind of sad that that's all the Kylie Cosmetics products that I have to try out, which just means I have to buy more. So if you have any recommendations of products I should purchase or products that you would be interested in seeing in future videos that are from Kylie Cosmetics, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.